The new nuclear power plant in Oswald, Vermont is said to be the best yet and the most efficient technology to come. We have a reporter on the scene to investigate this too-good-to-be-true power plant.
Thanks, Rufus. So I'm here with Kelsey at the Lotso power plant, and we're going to learn about nuclear power.
Hi! Nuclear energy was first discovered in 1896 when two French folks discovered that bombarding uranium atoms with high-speed neutrons breaks down the element into isotopes of other elements, which in turn releases an amazing amount of energy.
Now I must ask you this question. Where do you guys get the light bulb seeds to make the power plant?
Well, the energy is used to heat water to make steam, which then turns turbines to generate electricity. So let's take a look inside.
Wow! This thing looks like Granny's pressure cooker.
It's sort of like that in the fact that it keeps water at high pressure, so it doesn't boil and create steam when we don't want it to.
So let me get this straight. You put potatoes and carrots in there and cook it to make energy?
Close. We put concentrated uranium in the fuel cells and capture the energy produced in the fission process. If the reaction gets too hot, we lower our control rods into the reactor, which absorbs the neutrons that are bombarding the uranium atoms to end the process.
Wait, you make bombs here also?
If the unlikely situation occurs where the reaction gets out of control, we have multiple safety features in the control room. The innovative safety features of Lotso include two domes that can contain anything unexpected, as well as liquid nitrogen placed around the reactor, which, at the flip of this switch, cools the reaction quickly.
Wow, it seems like Lotso has great innovations for the crisis of energy.
Yes, Lotso is at the top of its class in safety standards. Anti-nuclear protesters
Ain't got nothing on you! So what has inspired Lotso's great safety measures?
Well, past disasters like Chernobyl and 3 Mile Island have made us go above and beyond in safety precautions.
So I see you guys have really gone the extra mile here.
Yeah, and radiation concerns are being diminished by recycling the waste, which both reduces our waste output and reuses our limited supply of uranium.
So what do you do with the waste you can't reuse?
Well, let's go see. Well, because we recycle our spent waste, we produce far less radioactive byproduct.
That resolves the main concern with nuclear energy. How do other power companies compare?
Well, nuclear power is one of the safest methods of producing energy. Each year, 10,000 to 50,000 Americans die from respiratory diseases due to burning coal, and 300 are killed in mining and transportation accidents. In contrast, no Americans have died or been injured because of a reactor accident or radiation exposure from any American nuclear power plants.
This has been a very insightful day with lots of information from Kelsey at Lotso Power Plant. Thanks, Kelsey. So, overall, nuclear power is the epitome of efficiency, and is much safer than it seems. The pros heavily outweigh the cons, as long as proper safety is adhered to. With this in mind, nuclear energy has a powerful future. Catch you on the flip side, Vermont.